welcome back to the channel. It's your host Rob with I-25 Kia. I'm here today with Kia's 2020 Forte GT line. Now we've already done a full review for Kia's GT with the GT2 package, and we've also done a review on Kia's 2020 Forte GT manual transmission. So this is the GT line. So it's just underneath the GT trim level. So let's see what's different and what it lacks, because so far I've been nothing but impressed with this thing. The exterior of this guy is just completely murdered out with the black paint job, the black rims. He's come with the exclusive GT line black alloy wheels. That's a really cool look. Just like with all of the Fortes, I really like the front element on this tiger nose grille. You've got the nice red paint job for the detailing inside the grille. Right out the gate, I'm gonna say it's almost identical to the GT. Because this is the GT line, it's a little bit more affordable than the GT or the GT2 package or the GT manual transmission. So why is this more affordable? It's sweet. Most of that reasoning is going to lie underneath the hood. With the GT, you have a 1.6 four-cylinder engine, and with the GT line, you have a 2-liter four-cylinder engine, which provides you 147 horsepower versus the 201 that the GT offers. Other than that, the cars are very comparable. You can save yourself some money with the GT line and get the same sporty feel as you would get with the GT. You still have this gigantic 8-inch touchscreen display with your integrated Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto. You can control your music, you can go through your messages, you can even go through your maps. This is also where you're going to find your really nice backup camera that has the dynamic lines, and it also has the rear cross traffic alerts. So if there's an object approaching from the right or the left, the car is going to let you know, and then you're not going to back up into that. And just like the other GT model, this one does come with a nice sunroof. The GT line trim also comes with the Harman Kardon premium audio system, which is really loud, super crisp. It's like a studio recording if you play it from your iPod. Also similar to the GT package, you have the nice stitching on these seats, but this time it says GT line. But this is a combination of leather and fabric. It's a really good feel. I really like the headrests, they're really squishy. The wheel is designed almost identical to the GT. You have your phone calls on the left, your cruise control on the right, and it's a flat bottom, but this one has the GT line logo at the bottom, opposed to the one that just says GT. One small difference between the GT to the GT line is you don't have the paddle shifters on the wheel, but you do still have the sports drive mode. The easy way to get into the sports drive mode while you're driving is just move the shifter over to the left. It's a great operation to do on the fly. And compared to your driving experience, pretty similar, except for the get up and go. I mean, the get up and go of the GT is quite impressive. Not saying that this is not impressive. I've been very impressed with the improvements that Kia has made with their entire Forte line. This shouldn't even be called a Forte because it's like an entirely different creature. Personally, I didn't even really like the old Fortes. It wasn't a vehicle that I would have purchased for myself. But this Forte, I would definitely buy. I want this Forte. If you guys have any further questions about Kia's 2020 Forte, go talk to the car experts at I-25 Kia. Better yet, take advantage of the 24-hour home test drive. This is one of those vehicles where you really need to get a feel of how it operates to be a big fan of it. I've officially driven the Forte 4 times, and I'm even 4 times more impressed than I was the first time. No matter where you're at in Colorado, we will deliver the vehicle to you. For 24 hours, you have this to do whatever you want with. Go pick up your kids from school, go grocery shopping, go to a skate park, go up a mountain. And if you want to buy it, we'll bring over the paperwork, we'll take this thing, we'll get it washed for you, cleaned up, and then the keys are yours. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Check back soon, I'm always posting new content. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.